Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop notifications on Google Chrome in desktop computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. By default, Chrome alerts you whenever a website, app, or extension want to send you notifications. You can change these settings in any time. Now I'm going to show you how to stop notifications on Google Chrome. Click on three dot icons on upper right corner. Now click on settings. Then click on privacy and security. Now scroll down. Click on site settings. Scroll down. Now you will find an option here, notifications. Click on notifications. Here you will find an option, don't allow site to send notifications. Select it. From now, notification has been stopped on your Google Chrome browser. Now close your Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial.